In today's video, I want to share with you one of the most important things, the foundation of every relationship, and that is trust. How do we build trust with people? And I'm going to share with you 5 ways to do that, 5 C's to keep in mind, which will help you to build trust. So, सबसे पहली बात तो ये that trust can be earned. बहुत लोग ये सोचते हैं कि अगर ट्रस्ट एक बार लूज हो गया तो उसके बाद वो दोबारा अर्न नहीं किया जा सकता. दैट्स नॉट कंप्लीटली ट्रू अनलेस यू कमिटेड अ ब्लंडर. आपने इतनी बड़ी गलती कर दी कि आपको माफ नहीं किया जा सकता, तो शायद आपने हमेशा के लिए ट्रस्ट लूज कर दिया है. लेकिन थोड़ी बहुत गलतियों की वजह से आप कंप्लीट ट्रस्ट लूज नहीं करते हैं. देयर इज अ वे to build it, rebuild your trust with people. In fact, you can use the same 5 C's to build trust in a new relationship as well, so that you never come to a state where you are depleted of it completely. So the first C is congruence. Congruence means when what you say is what you do and what you feel is what you say. So जैसा आप feel करते हैं वैसा आप बोलते हैं, और जो आप बोलते हैं वो आप करते हैं. All of that talks to each other. That's called congruence. And when you're able to bring in this congruence, people are able to trust you. The second C is compassion. You might not be able to feel love for everybody, but you can always feel compassion for them, which is kindness and respect for another human being. That's what compassion really means. So fill your heart with compassion, which will also help you to forgive people. And when you talk to people and deal with them with compassion, they trust you. The third C is character. Holding on to your character means having certain values and principles and living up to them no matter what. You live up to your values even when no one is watching, right? And that's exactly what it means to hold on to a character. For example, integrity is your value, right? Integrity doesn't just mean honesty. It means pristine honesty. And pristine honesty means that you are honest even when nobody is watching you. If you think that you should not cross a red light, you don't cross the signal even when there is no one else on the road. There is no traffic police on the road. If that's what you mean by your value, if that's what you stand for, then you follow that and you are that person anywhere and everywhere, no matter what. That's called building a character. The fourth C is competency. Means your skill and understanding of what you do, your role. How well do you understand your role? What is your knowledge about what you do? Your competency helps people to respect you, and with that comes in trust. And the fifth and most important thing is have confidence in yourself. When people see you as a confident person, they're able to confide in you. Right? So if you lose and shake up your own confidence level, it becomes very difficult for people to trust your decisions and your judgments. So have confidence knowing that not all decisions will be right. I will make mistakes, but it's all right. I'm going to do that with complete awareness and with confidence. And whatever happens, I'm ready to take the consequences of it as well. And that's what helps people to truly trust your abilities and in you as a person. So start working on each one of these 5 and be very, very conscious of how you stand up against each one of them. Remember, trust can be earned if you work towards it consciously.